Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to turn on the automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to first of all enable the developer options. Let me quickly kind of turn it off because I'd like to show you it from the very beginning. And a quick disclaimer, if you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about them. So in the settings we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find about tablet, and then let's scroll down to find the software information. Here we've got the build number, so let's start to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and let's confirm it with your current screen lock. And as you can see, we've got this information. As I said, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about the developer options. So now we can move to this left section and scroll down again, because the developer options should appear right under the About tablet. So let's simply tap on this option, and here just scroll down a little bit to find this auto update system. We can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will be allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to actually apply the updates whenever they will be available. Of course, you can turn this option just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.